confession, and statement under Section 164 Criminal Procedure Code. If the accused expresses his unwillingness to confess, is there any duty on the part of the magistrate to liberate the accused from police custody? Yes. That is precisely what Section 164(3) Criminal Procedure Code (PC) enjoins. Should the proceedings of the magistrate recording the confession be in open court and during court hours? Yes. The magistrate should record the confession only in open court and during court hours. Ramchandra v. State of UP Air 1957. What is the manner of recording the confession? Ans. Subsection 4 of Section 164 Criminal Procedure Code (PC) mandates that a confession should be recorded in the manner provided by Section 281 Criminal Procedure Code (PC). It has to be signed by the person making the confession. The magistrate has to make a memorandum as given in Section 164(4) Criminal Procedure Code at the foot of the record to the following effect. I have explained to name that he is not bound to make a confession, and that, if he does so, any confession he may make may be used as evidence against him, and I believe that this confession was voluntarily made. It was taken in my presence and hearing, and was read over to the person making it and admitted by him to be correct, and it contains a full and true account of the statement made by him.